It's your boy Sahiko, and it's 9:41, and I'm probably finna head to the shop right now, and well, after I get done all that mess and pull the motor from the Z, well, see y'all there. All right, on our way now. Be on our way. Go do this. Finna head to work. Alright, so I was up under here. I've been up here for a good little minute, and I was trying to get this bolt right here on the exhaust manifold, helping out Rosie. Hold on, let me see if I can get a better view. Can't see nothing now. No, nothing really. Let me see. No, you ain't gonna be able to see it. But it's right up there. You can see. No, y'all won't be able to see it. Right here. Let me see. Yep. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see that. There's a bolt right on the back of this manifold. Well, where the manifold is. And if we can get that bolt off, then we can just drop this down. Drop this caliper converter down and slide it out. Alright, so I'm back. And let me show you the car. Took the hood out, so I can get my hand out the way. Took the T-tops off. I was taking these little seatbelt brackets off or whatnot. I'm gonna take that one off in a minute. As a matter of fact, we're gonna get to work on this. I've been here for like, I don't know, about like 2 hours, 3 hours, and still ain't pulled the motor yet because he's fooling with the Infinity. I'll show y'all that in a minute. But yeah, hold up, let me show y'all. Done on that one little screw. Let me show y'all. That's all it was for the back seat. So I took that out, and I got the harness. I'm gonna get another one for this after the motor is done. So I ain't gonna be in a rush to get anything for the interior yet. But I mean, overall, it's gonna be. I'm gonna have fun with this. Let me show y'all something. Ooh, do I like that look? Should I get another back bumper or leave it like that? I kind of like that look. We don't know. Look at the Civic. I don't know what's wrong with it. That's the 180. There's Eric hard body. There's the Integra. Rosie's. That's a jail. S13, which is pretty clean. What else? That's the Ford truck. Getting the motor rebuilt. Basically, he got, you know, a lot of stuff to be rebuilt. Let's see what else. He got a lot of motors laying around. That's the fender for the Infinity. Oh yeah. So with the Infinity, it's basically been in a wreck, and he bent like a couple brackets or whatnot on it. Like this was broke. That was cool. That, then that's the hood right there, the carbon fiber. And yeah, he got into a wreck, into a collision, and he really, you know, have nothing, you know, to back him up, you know, when he had gotten that collision. But it wasn't him at fault. He wasn't that, he's supposed to be at fault, but I mean, he had no paperwork. So. And here's the truck, Jimmy's junk. It's an old little beat up motor, low compression. As far as this truck, I think this is gonna be pretty fastest truck down in here. Really, I mean, you really want this truck to be light as possible. He even put his Civic seats in here. He put Civic seats in here. And when you get the bed, oh my god, y'all gonna like the bed. I promise y'all. You're gonna have turbos right there. Then have some pipes coming out. I think 2 of them coming out. One right here is gonna be leveled over the bed, so you won't be able to see it. Only thing you're gonna be able to see is the flames, he said. So yeah, but it's gonna be turning out alright. And then have some wheels on it, wide wheels. The bed gonna be shorter, whatnot, and yeah. What is that? Oh, it's the old seat. It's the old seat belt. I think he getting harnesses too. But overall, I mean, he gets down. Look at this beast. Can't wait to get it out. Today we're supposed to do like a little cinematic shot for the Go Fire Production page. Which if y'all haven't subscribed, go subscribe to it. And yeah, but I'm gonna give y'all an update in a minute. I'm just, you know, waiting for my motor to be pulled. Show y'all around the shop a little bit. But hey, it is what it is. We gotta do something. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, let's get this started. My little tool set out. Shit. Tools up.
Nah, that shit pretty fresh though. Like, you have to,
fuck.
Damn. Why the fuck?
You sit up here trying to get the damn toolbox out. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it up. My suitcase. Let's get it started.
Damn, we got the black.
Yeah. That boy MIGS.
What up, man?
Get all the tools and stuff out of here. I mean, hey, this nigga, this thing popping, man.
Yeah, you know what you need help with? Shit, I can't.
Oh, yeah, you can't. Yeah, you only got 2 hands too. Hey, I'll get this part. I think that'll be it.
Yeah, we'll cross-reference the videos, goddamn.
Yeah. We'll be back.
That shit seems like it's zoomed in.
If I did.
No?
Alright. So we basically gotta take the bolts from the building. Huh? Sitting down?
Well, I guess I can just record you, right? What do you want to do?
You can. Yeah, you can if you wanted to. If you don't want to get tired, you can put it somewhere. You just ask me about the stand, whatnot. It don't matter. Look, we vlogging. But yeah, I'm gonna do the take the bolts off the bell housing. I don't know why I said bells and housing. And yeah, I think that'll be it. And then we can pull it out. Then oh yeah, we gotta loosen the bolts on the headers. And that'd be it then. So got my little tool set. I don't know if I can see it. I really supposed to use this for work, but I ain't used it yet. I've been using it on the Z. Breaking them in, you know. Shit's a mess. Man. Pistol, man. It'll be alright. It's a mechanic's job, you know. I can fix anything. Yep. It's another setup on the Hold up. Bring it up now. Alright, so we basically got all the bolts off, like I was saying. Now I think we gotta do connectors at the top. And I got the connectors down up on the bottom. I got another starter, whatnot. And now we gotta do like AC. We got AC connector. Right here?
No.
Oh. Ugh. It should fit. Hold up. Nope. Too small.
Too small? So is that it?
Make sure again. Oh, never mind. Got it. You could have moved them airbox.
Yeah, that's gotta be the one you take off as well.
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Alright, you need to just break it off.
Mhm.
Because it's gonna spray. So you see it fish, just leave it there and just like off it. Because you don't want to like breathe that shit. But you might have to have another one.
Yeah, to hold it.
You might have to have another one underneath it. Is there another?
Yes, another one up under. Another bolt.
Yeah, you're gonna have to have one under that. That's one in. Actually, that was smaller. The bottom one. Because you're gonna have to use one of those to hold it, and then the other one for this one. Might be too small.
Too small. It's a 3/4. Whoa. Well, get ready to run, Alex. It's gonna piss everywhere. Alright, so we got most of the stuff off. Let me see. Got the AC compressor on. Off, I mean, condenser or whatever. I don't know. And got the other bolts off. Got this loose. What else? I think that's about it. We probably got some bolts on the top, he said, but other than that, we're ready to go. Right now, he's just working on the Infinity. And, yeah. And here the boy, Alex. What, I guess 50. Boy got the sticky. Who had my car like that? Who had my car like that?
What?
Who had my car like that?
Okay. You want to do that?
Mine's not like that. Mine's light already.
You can do that.
Yeah, but I mean, it is what it is. But we got most of the stuff off, like I said, and should be good. That's my first time ever taking tile from here. They got cobwebs, man. It's pitiful. Pitiful. Yep. I think it's ready to go. Alright, it's your boy Seiko. It's like 12 something, and as you can see, we got a lot of stuff done. And well, we didn't get to put it because he had other customers because they were rushing him. But I mean, I'm not tripping. At least I got, we got all the basic stuff off, all the main stuff off. And yeah. Don't we try to turn now? What? And Alex got his little project on too.
Damn project.
What up? Should be talking crazy like that, boy? What's wrong with him? But yeah, I'm blocking the camera. But I mean, I'll show y'all the little progress when I go upstairs. But I mean, I got everything off, like the harness that was at the bottom. Like before that, before we had pushed the car in, I had most of everything off too, like the ECU, holder intake, what else? Radiator. Basically little stuff. And yeah, but we could pull the motor, but I'm not gonna stay, you know, tonight. Probably go do something tomorrow. I don't know. Probably go get another project, but I don't know yet. It's up to Alec. What we dealing with right here. Alec got his hands dirty for the first time. Proud of my boy. You shaking your head, no? What crazy. But in the meantime, probably go home, call it a day. Hop on the game. I need to go on my gaming channel, man. My gaming channel dead. Y'all need to go check that out too. And
What?
love doing inappropriate stuff while I'm vlogging. Alec got that dog on sticky. Cutting up over there. Don't fall down the steps now. This dog basically got everything out. This is how long we've been out here. We got them over here. And the Mustang. Actually use that box. But you know, just mainly the stuff for real. And oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the toe strap. I put it on there. I don't know. I'm debating if I like it or not. I probably gotta get used to it, just like I did on the TS6. I basically took it off. Huh?
We're going to put it aside. I can put it aside, just I don't know if I
Just slide it right there between them. No, right there. See the little hole right there, Alec?
Oh.
Alec can't be doing that now. You on camera. Look at you. Got everything on the floor. Alec cutting up today. Got his hands dirty. I'm proud of my boy. Man, I can't say I'm proud of you, golly. But I'm in it right here. Oh yeah, if y'all new, y'all go check out some of my old videos. I see I got a couple of subscribers on here, and y'all just share it, and you know, y'all know the routine. Share it, get it around, and hopefully y'all enjoy it and check out our other channel. Hopefully we have the other channel, Guff Eye Productions. I already told y'all go check that out. Hopefully we have like some of the cinematic shots together of when we was taking it apart, like the bolts off the transmission and the motor mounts. Yeah, but I gotta get with my boy MIGS about that. And oh yeah, shout out to that boy MIGS for, you know, coming out and helping your boy, you know, get some shots. And yeah, y'all need to go check his channel out too. I'm gonna put it in my description too. Y'all need to go subscribe to him. Y'all make him vlog. And yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the toe strap when I get back up there. I gotta help him right now. Well, he got everything. I'm gonna show y'all the toe strap in a minute. Let me finish helping him. When I got through it all, I actually took these off. It was like, I don't know, was it some support for the wires that was on the side of my bumper? Not basically, yeah, my bumper, but it's not actually on there. But you know how it look now. But I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Yeah, so that's all I did basically. Take it off my TS6. Let me see. Ain't Alex standing in the front for?
You don't need this light? Alright.
No, I don't need it. I'm just playing. Come back. But I do look mean though. Dang, boy, Sprite. But this is what I took off. Yeah, I took that off. And that's the wire. I took it in there. in. Yep, and that's it. But I give y'all in a minute. I'm in the vlog right here. Just got home. I don't know if y'all can see me, if that's better, but 107, just not making it home, and get out the car, and yeah, that's it. That's it. Y'all know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to you, boy, and go after what you want. It's something big out there waiting for y'all, so go after what you want. I'm out.